Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for every fleet owner out there, keeping your fleet not just on the road, but road ready. Stick around to find out how you can minimize breakdowns and maximize efficiency. For many fleet owners, a vehicle off the road means lost revenue. But what if you could prevent most emergencies before they even start? Regular maintenance is the key. It's not just about fixing issues, but preventing them. First up, regular inspections. Routine checks are your first line of defense against breakdowns. By catching the issue early, you reduce the downtime and save on costly repairs. A simple inspection could reveal a small problem today that, if ignored, could turn into a major issue tomorrow. Regular maintenance schedules keeps your vehicles in check and your operations smooth. Next, let's talk about the importance of building trusted partnerships. It's tiring bouncing around from one shop to another where the mechanic isn't familiar with any of your vehicles. This approach isn't just a hassle, it's inefficient. Building a strong relationship with one shop ensures consistency in service, speed, and simplifies your maintenance process. And that leads us to building rapport. When a shop knows your fleet, they understand how best to maintain it. A good rapport translates to personalized service and better care for your vehicles. If you're wondering if there's a flexible service that fits this description, there is. Look for providers who offer both on-site and shop services to cover all your needs. Ready to keep your fleet elite and on the move? Hit the subscribe button below for tips and check the provider we recommend in the description below. Don't let breakdowns break down your business. Thank you for watching, and keep your fleet road ready and drive your business to success. See you in the next one.